Welcome back, Guardians. We will proceed with learning how to navigate around the editor scene space. In this lesson, we have 5 major points to review. Basic scene navigation controls, scene info bar, minimap navigation, scene's view settings, and environment time. Let's review the basic scene controls. First, we will start out with the mouse scroll. The mouse scroll will change the view distance for the current perspective. Pressing and holding the right mouse button down and dragging will pan the current perspective around the scene. Holding the control and the right mouse button at the same time will rotate the perspective around the game scene. Using the left mouse button, we can select placed objects or terrain in the scene. Using the left mouse button and dragging, we can create a selection and highlight box that will highlight both terrain and object types. Lastly, we have the escape key, which will deselect the currently selected object type. On to the scene info bar. Here we have 4 important pieces of information on the bar. 1. The current coordinates of the mouse location in the scene. 2. The selected object name. 3. The owner of the selected object. And 4. The editor runtime. Now in the top left of the scene we can see the minimap. We can use this minimap to quickly move to locations in the scene. In the top left corner, we have the scene view. The scene view gives us viewing perspective. We can shift which perspective we are viewing the scene from. Grid settings. We can enable and change the scale of our grid to help provide a straight edge. And which viewable objects there are. If you ever are running into a problem where you have multiple objects stacked on top of each other, we can use this to see the specific object you are trying to click on. And lastly, we have the environment time. The environment time allows us to adjust the environment's current time of day, and we can change the rate at which it travels.